Hey guys! Hey guys, and welcome back to the Williams Family Adventures.
What she said.
Today I have my mom with me.
Yep.
And we are going to be doing an unboxing video.
Yes. And we're going to be unboxing these products here, as you can see. So
It's upside down.
this one's an easypress.
And this is
Stuff in the bag here. And cricut.
cricket.
I actually thought it said current, but
Current?
yeah, because when I looked at the box in the store, I was like, okay, this is current. And I'm going crazy as usual, so yeah, whatever.
If you didn't think cricket, the closest thing is maybe like circuit or something.
No, whatever. I just saw a C and an R, and I was like, okay, current. That's what it is. So, anyways, today we're gonna be doing an unboxing because, as you may or may not know, because some of you may be new, and if you are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can be informed of like everything that's going on with the Williams family, because we've been making a lot of big changes in regards to like a lot of stuff. So if you don't already know, and if you do know, Sharice is expanding her
Lip gloss business. Well, cosmetics business.
She's doing okay. She is gonna be doing what else? Let's see, t-shirt, mask, leggings, hoodies, different stuff like that. She wants to do it, so she asked me to invest in her business, which I did. So I was like, okay.
You know, I make allowance, guys.
Yeah, she does make allowance. So try to see how far she can get, because this is something that she is really interested in, and I'm gonna let her talk more about it because it's not my business. I just want a video out of it. So go ahead.
Okay, so you explain the shirt part. So basically, the types of shirts that I'm gonna make. So what I'm gonna do is like gymnastics and like tie-dye related, and Ariane is gonna do tie-dye.
And instead of paying somebody to print her logos, we're gonna be doing them ourselves. So
DIY.
that's gonna be saving us a lot of money there. So that's why we decided to invest in the machine, because it will make more sense, right? Right.
Yeah.
So before we go any further, don't forget to
don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and comment down below if you want to see how we make shirts,
Yeah.
and leggings and hoodies,
yeah.
and stuff.
We're gonna just get on to the video, so keep watching.
The first thing we're going to start with is this.
Yeah, and as you can see by the picture, it's a Circuit Explora Air 2. There's two options that you can get. There's the Maker, the Cricut Maker, and then there's the Explorer Air 2. This one was, we got it at Michael's. It was $288 plus tax. Comes up to, I don't know how much, I just swept the car. It comes up to, I don't know how much. So we're gonna be unboxing this right now. Wow.
So the first thing is we got this light grip.
Oh, it's a mat. So these mats, she doesn't know anything. So here we go. So this is the mat that it comes with. There is the heavy duty grip, there's the light grip, and there's I think it's a medium grip. But anyways, this shiny plastic you see here, you can lift it off and it's very sticky. So this is the light sticky ones, and this is what it comes with. You need this in order to put your vinyl or your iron-on paper on here to put through the machine. Moving on to the next thing in the box, we have the manuals. Is there any paper in there?
Whoa! We got a sample.
Yeah, it's like a sample paper. So you have like one, no, it's not sandpaper. It's like one sample paper.
Got white.
Yep. So
And black.
So there's kind of white, black, and that other color there.
And then we just have the manuals.
And then just the manual. Is it like
cards?
Yeah, you can make business cards. You can make stickers. You can make a lot of stuff with it. And Teresa's gonna be having a lot of stuff in her store. She's gonna be doing keychains as well and stuff like that, so stay tuned for all of that. The next thing that's in there is the machine. So we got the red just because we wanted to match. Do you want me to move this for a minute?
I'm strong, guys.
Okay, so you put it on this side. Okay, perfect. There we go. She got the machine out. Oh, this is how it comes. It has the two protective, what are those things called?
Styrofoam?
No, that's not styrofoam. I don't know what it is.
Cardboard.
Yeah, there we go. It has two protective ones on each side. So she's just gonna take those off. I'll put that aside. There we go. So this is the machine. It's wrapped in that thing for like to keep it protected so it doesn't scratch or anything like that.
Whoa. Look at the color.
As I said before, we got the red one. There we go. And just to give you guys a tool holder. You can put your tools in here to hold it. This is to open the machine. You can press it and it just opens. That is just so beautiful. The way it opens, there it says Cricut on the inside. This is the power button and the settings. This one is, I think it's the to pull the paper in or out. So you press this and it starts flashing when it needs, like right here. So it starts flashing when it needs to tell you. And then you start your process here. This is to pause it just in case like anything goes wrong and you have to pause it. If you look here, well, this is where the blade is. So the blade is here. It comes with one blade. You can get like different blades or if you need. We have a storage compartment here and then another storage compartment here. And you can basically put your tools in there. We didn't buy any tools yet. That's it for the machine. That's how the machine looks, and we're just gonna move on to the next thing. Moving on to the next thing in the box. The next thing in the box is the wire to charge. So this one is the adapter to charge to basically give the device power. So that's this. It's just like your regular ports. This is your adapter to go from your device to your PC, your computer. And then you have the Cricut pens. You can use these to kind of write, like if you're doing like paper crafts and stuff like that. I haven't figured out what else to do with it yet, but I know they sell a lot of these. And we're just gonna, you know, wait to see. And that's it. That's everything that came in the box. So that is exactly what you're gonna get in your Cricut box. So what do we have next?
We've got our easy press. This one I think is for clothing. It looks like it.
Yeah, it's for like ironing on. If you are doing it on clothing, you're doing it on like bath towels, because that's what I'm planning to do for Christmas. I'm planning to do like a Williams family bath towels for the bathrooms. So I'm gonna be doing a lot of household DIYs. She's gonna be doing a lot of like her selling stuff. So we're gonna start with the unboxing. In the box, we've never opened these before. That's so pretty. This is so pretty. You can like put that on a shirt. That's the Cricut logo. That's so pretty. So this is the first thing you see when you open the box. Got Sharice excited because they give you a free iron-on logo. So then you have a little envelope. I'm guessing it's like the booklet. So we're just gonna see what's in there.
Oh, it's like a username.
Yeah, so you're not going to show that.
Oh, yeah.
So it's to register the product. So there we go. I'm just hiding the registration code because, of course, I don't want anybody to register it before we do. Okay. So then we have like a quick start guide. So there we go. And it's French. Also in French as well. And we got this in red and white too, just because we wanted it to kind of match the whole. We don't have a red and white team, but we're kind of like, okay, get it to match. So there, see, you can do pillows, like before you stuff them, of course, and it's just showing you like what each button is for. and everything like that. So, and showing you that it has like a temperature setting. See, and they're making a shirt. Yeah, I have to get one of these pillows. I didn't know what everything that I needed to get, so I bought the items first, and then I'm gonna buy the accessories. And here comes the machine. So in the box, when you look, there's like two pieces. There's one here and one here, and we're gonna start with this one. This here is the easypress. Trying to open. It comes in a little, what do you call these, sack bag, made for easy storage, I'm guessing. Prevents it from getting scratched, dirty, damaged, like if it's just like that. So she's taking that off. And here's the bad boy. So it's basically like an iron. So this is the bottom. As you can see, it's like the steel iron thing. We got the big size ones because Cherise wants to do t-shirts. So we got one that she can actually do a larger size t-shirt. This is your power button. That's your temperature setting. It's your timer. This is the up and down. So when you press temperature, you can do up, 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 up. So you can get to 350. And this one is your kind of your start procedure thingamajiggy. The wire, of course. And that's just basically it, because all it is an iron. The last thing that's in the box is the holder. So like when you're heating it up, because the iron part at the bottom is at the bottom there, you can put it on here and it's gonna be safe. Like nobody's gonna accidentally run over and like touch the bottom of it unless you're kind of ready to use it or whatever. And you're gonna store it there in the little plastic here. And yeah, that's it. That's all that's in the box for the easypress. And then we're just gonna move on to our next.
Okay, the last two things we got is Circuit infusible ink. They are transfer sheets. This one's yellow.
So we got the yellow one, the yellow transfer sheet there. So we're just gonna open it just so you guys can see how much comes in there. I'm telling you, it's not a lot that comes in there. I was actually very surprised. Okay, so that's how it looks in the box. It's just this little black thingamajiggy. We're gonna pull it out. And it's very light. I expected it to be much heavier, and
I thought this was ink.
My arms were very disappointed. As you can see, this here is much more yellow than you're gonna see the paper is. This is much lighter. And the reason why this is much lighter is because when you do iron on, the color is gonna show up much brighter. So just go with the color that you see on the box. So when you unravel it, you have
there's only
two piece of paper. Isn't that amazing? And this was for I think $9 and some cents, and that's only because it's on sale. And then the other one we got was this
it's the same thing but black.
The everyday, no, this one is an infusible one, and this one is the iron on. Here, I'll put it so you guys can see. Focus, there we go. And this is the everyday iron on sheets. We're not going to open this one because as you can see, like, it's very visible. It's the black, and it's not a lot either. It's probably like the same two pieces on the inside. So yeah. And yeah, that's everything that we got.
Follow my Instagram at flipout_cosmetics, and then go follow my website at flipoutcosmetics.bigcartel.com.
So if you guys are interested in seeing what her products are, go over there. She has right now lip gloss, body oils,
lip
scrubs,
lip oil.
So yeah, that's basically the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to
like, subscribe, comment down. Subscribe first.
Okay.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and comment down below if you want to see us do shirts.
Yeah, practice session. We'll call that practice session.
The first one's gonna be so
The first one's gonna be so bad.
I mean, it's gonna be on the bed.
Yeah, so who knows? Okay, so Thank you guys for watching. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it wasn't too long. Hope it was informative. And if you are going out to buy a Cricut, I hope it helps you so that you know exactly what's in the box, because there's not a lot of unboxing of Cricuts. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.